Just randomly pulling up in front of someone's house. You guys wondering what the shit we're doing.
Look at that.
Let's go, dude. Get the f out of here. People are wondering what we're doing. When you chill out of here, they're like, what the f is that, dude? So we're borrowing some abandoned building to install some lights on this Toyota.
Each has got to be resourceful, bah. Buddy.
There you go, bro.
Thank you.
Let's try it out.
Let's tear it up. This is how we install LED lighting on the fly. Oh, that's fancy. Okay. Hello, can I have lifetime supply of Viagra?
What? Abandoned.
Look at that connection right there. It doesn't work.
So those aren't the right lights.
I'm gonna take this so we can go and hunt it somewhere else. Maybe. Yeah. We can't even look at it because they don't have them on the floor. So.
Well, let's tell them to pull them out of the stock so we can look at the prongs.
Yeah.
Let's do that. All right, second location. Here we go.
Here we go.
All right, second auto zone.
Success.
Looks like we got the right lights this time. Let's see. Let's go put them in. Just randomly pulling up in front of someone's house. You guys wondering what the shit we're doing.
The garage. Look at that.
Let's go, dude. Get the f out of here. People are wondering what we're doing. Oh, they are looking at us. Oh, shit. When you chill out of here, they're like, what the f is that, dude? What the All right, we're back.
It's supposed to be out. Doesn't seem like it is, but focus, focus, focus. Yes. No more filming. So we put it in.
That easy, huh?
That's plug and play, baby.
Nice.
What I don't get is why they give you an O-ring. Are we supposed to put an O-ring here?
Maybe. First time reading instructions ever?
Mm-hmm.
Probably help if they were right side up too. Oh no, this side's upside down.
Sweet! The intensity, huh?
Think the customer will be happy.
I hope so, because I made him unhappy last year.
I mean, compared to that one.
Look at my jacket here. See? And then look at my jacket here. White light. Woo. Okay. Where's the hole?
No comment.
Okay. Tighten these things up.
Sweet.
And that should be it. Is it on?
Yes, sir.
Hopefully she likes those, huh?
Hope so. Our work here is done. What do we got going here?
We have a Super Bowl special. What is it? Is it Super Bowl?
It is.
Super Bowl special. We're gonna play changing the brakes on this RAV4. Brakes are like, they said it was really bad brakes. These things are like brand new. Shoot the camera through there on the hole. Look at that. This probably still go for about a year before it goes out. Really thick. Let me get the new ones so we can compare them, but half. So if this car has gone, let's say 40,000 miles, it can go another 40,000 miles before we replace this pad. So what do? I think we gotta bring our customer out and see what she thinks about it. I don't wanna change him yet. I'll check the miles on this thing. 71,000 miles gone on the set, that's the original set of pads on there. So I do believe that we can go another 30, 100 to 100, up to 100, I think. Okay, let's bring our customer out. The difference between the inside, this is the inside pad and the outside pad, is a little bit thicker on the outside. So I put this one on the inside against the cylinder, so it'll wear, or it'll use the rest of this pad. But you're gonna save some money. Back in there. See how this one is thinner? No, actually this one don't even look. This one looks thicker over here, huh?
Yeah.
So we just
Swap.
them. Maybe try to put them the right way. They'll equalized. Simple as that. That the stand?
Yeah.
that gun barely touched the damn things, and that one was torqued already. See what? All in all, pretty good. We got it. And we're done. There she is. That completes our brake, I guess, check slash replace, not really replaced. We just checked them out. I guess she was super afraid that her brakes were done because the dealer told her so about a month ago. She needed to replace them about a week after she went in. And now we just figured out we have about maybe another 2-3 years worth of pads to go on with. So we'll keep an eye on it and figure out if it needs replacement in about a couple of years. That's all, folks.